Hello, this is the first one of a series of videos to introduce you to the Open City Toolkit, OCT. The OCT is a framework connecting several external tools in order to implement a flexible and easy-to-use WebGIS solution. This tutorial series is produced by the City Science Lab at HafenCity University of Hamburg. In this introductory video, I will walk you through the technical components of the system and explain to you how they work together to realize the software's functionalities. And then I will introduce you to the structure of this video series so that you can jump directly to the topic that you are most interested in. The OCT is a web application that needs to be deployed on a server and accessed by the user from a client interface, which is usually a web browser. The software architecture of the OCT is composed of three main parts. First, the Node.js application. It is the centerpiece of the system. It provides the rendered user interface to the client, handles communication across different system components, and manages computing processes. The GraphGIS is a geographic information system that provides all geodata, manipulation, and geoanalysis functions for OCT. The GeoServer is a piece of software that serves map data to the client. When the user is accessing the app in their web browser, his or her analytical requests will be sent to the Node.js application. Node will read the request, generate a response, and send it back to the client for the user to see the result. If the user's request is to conduct a geoinformation analysis, then the Node app will dispatch the request to GraphGIS as a child process. When the geoinformation analysis is done, Node will return the results from Graphs to the client. The GeoServer stores map data and can publish the data as services so that the client can view them in the web interface. Usually, a GeoServer user needs to tell the GeoServer directly what data has to be served. But since the OCT aims to automate this process and have the web browser as the user's only entry point for giving commands, the Node app is designed to communicate with the GeoServer and tells it which map should be served. With the system architecture in mind, we created the OCT tutorials in a sequence that will best illustrate how the system works. The tutorials will guide you step by step through the process of using, deploying, configuring, and managing the system. It is divided into two main sections: using OCT and managing OCT. In the first section, we have three main topics. 1. General introduction of the user interface. 2. How to use Module 1, the time map module. 3. How to use Module 2, the query module. In the second section, we have 5 topics. 1. How to deploy the system with Docker. 2. Data preparation and import using QGIS. 3. Creating thematic maps using QGIS. 4. How to set up new layers in GeoServer. 5. GraphGIS basics. Please be reminded that some topics contain more than one videos. You could refer to the file title and the README file in the video folder for more detail.